my YouTube channel. My name is Koketsa Cocktail, and if you're tuning in for the first time today, welcome to it. Yes, it's another day, not a vlog this time around, but today I will be giving you recommendations on different kind of spas around Johannesburg. Look, people always ask me, where can I go, what can I do? So next time they ask me, I'll just be like, check my video out. So also because I've decided to do this, it's going to be a 5-part series where I give like just different kind of recommendations. It could be vacation spots, it could be things to do at a different location, it could be just so many. So just be on the lookout. Every day I'm going to be releasing 5-part series of just recommendations. For this particular one, we are doing the spas, and it's spas mainly around Johannesburg West. And guys, for this video I have just decided to loop the picture background music. It's not much, it's 3 minutes long, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it, and I also hope you take or get ideas of what you can do or which spa you can go to. So just let me know on the below comment sections if you need me to talk, be on the background, say something about it. But also remember, I've never been to most of these spas, I just seen them. So yeah guys, that's what's up. Check out the spas, let me know which one you'll be doing, or which one you've tried out. Maybe share your experiences, and yeah, we'll take it from there. Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
I could blame it on the physical, I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, oh, for me. Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud, and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar-coated. What a lie, what a lie, what a lie, what a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over more, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is big Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. love for you, only roll like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
just some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
just some me time.
You do what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need muscle, fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited?
Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. 3 minutes is not that much. Hope you've picked up where you can go to, or which spa looks good. Personally, I want to do the Vivari Hotel Spa because, honey, it's just giving lux, it's giving everything and anything that I want at a spa. So that's what's up, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Look out for the next video where I will be giving you honeymoon, not honeymoon actually, couples getaway accommodation spots. I don't know, maybe it'll be around Gauteng, maybe it'll be around Mpumalanga, who knows. Be on the lookout.